I'm not even gonna explain the kit. I'm just gonna open it right up and then get this installed on the IS. And it's gonna be crazy, bro. So enough talking. Let's get the kit on the IS, and it should be a pretty easy job to do. All right, enough jokes aside. Enough throwing the box around. This is the KBD new kit. IS300 kit just came out. So let's open it up and see what kind of goodies we got. Here's the front. Okay, let me get everything out and then I'll start recording again, because obviously this has to fold out. If you know KBD, you have to let everything like kind of sit and unfold. And I'm in Washington and it's like 6 o'clock and it's like 30 degrees outside, so ain't no way this is gonna fold right now. But we're gonna use a heat gun and let me get this all like placed out.
A few moments later.
All right guys, so I didn't record the process, but the kit is finally on. Got the front bumper on, side skirts, and then the rear bumper. Rear bumper is on. I didn't record because of like the hassle, because it's been about 2 days now because the kit was unfolding, and then because right now obviously it's cold, November right now in Washington, so there's like no sun. I put the whole kit in front of the fireplace at home and then let it unfold. But sorry for the unfocus, where I am outside. Sorry for the noise too, but kit is finally on, and gonna give you guys a little overview, but everything should be good. And then some issues I did have, I don't know if this is my car, because I think it's been in a front end collision, I'm not really sure. But the fitment right here isn't the best, but I think it's just my car. And I also have aftermarket fenders, so that's probably the reason why. But other than that, it fits really good. And the side skirts too. Side skirts aren't straight right now. Sorry for the lighting once again. Right there, you can see a little, kind of like a little hump, just because they're not fully unfolded. Rear bumper fits great. Once again, people were like saying the rear bumper is kind of ugly, but honestly, it looks really nice. You can't even tell that it's like a USDM. You could tell from like right here maybe, but like from this distance you can't really tell it's a USDM, and it doesn't really look that bad in my opinion. All I gotta do now is wrap it and then we're good to go. And that's about it, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Next video is gonna be me wrapping the kit, and stay tuned for that.